Question: what serializer you are using for Kafka? So there were many popular serializers used with Kafka. Usually those are JSON serializer, protobuf serializer, string serializer, byte array serializer, confluent schema registry serializer, thrift serializer, and Avro serializer. I have just mentioned the different serializers and use of them. You might also know which are the serializers you are using. For better understanding of each of them, I recommend you to make a little research on them so you will be good with the serializers. Coming to the next question, that is fourth one. Why you are using key? What is the significance of key in Kafka? Yes, you have already heard it in our discussion now, right? You are right. When we discussed about the structure of the message that is going to the topic, there is a key involved in that, right? And this key plays a significance role which is used to determine the partition to which a message will be sent. So the key is used to identify its respective partition. This key also plays a one more important role, that is sequencing the order of the items. In the order you send the messages to the Kafka topic, in the same order they should be delivered to the end system, right? Most of the times it's very crucial. So when you send a same key for the particular set of messages, they should be in a order. They will go to the same partition, hence the order will be preserved for the delivery. So here in the example, you can see if I send the same keys 1, 2, 3, 4 for the several messages, like for one particular order, that is prepared, shipped and delivered, then these 3 messages will be stored in the same partition, like you say here P1 partition 1, then they will be delivered to the end system in a same order. Which is very important here. User should not get the delivery message before getting the shipping message, right? On the other side, suppose if you are not sending the same key or there is a null key, then those kind of messages will be stored in a underutilized partitions, or like you can see here, these are orphan or independent messages. I hope now you understood the significance of the key. Let's move to the next question. So this question is again from the Kafka. How is it exactly storing key or getting data using the key? So actually when the message is assigned to a partition based on the hash of the key will determine the partition. We know this, right? So of course consumers can read the messages from the particular partitions using this key only. If the key is same for the set of messages, the consumer can retrieve them efficiently from a particular partition. So this is how key is stored and data will be retrieved.